Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your Windows computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can customize and configure different aspects of your browser. The settings page is where you'll find all the controls you need to manage how Chrome behaves, including security and privacy features. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Navigate to this sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial as it contains all the settings related to how Chrome protects your data and manages permissions for websites. It's where you control what sites can and cannot do when you visit them. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option called Site Settings. Click on it to proceed. This area allows you to manage permissions for individual features that websites might request, such as camera access, location, notifications, and importantly for our purposes, JavaScript. These settings give you granular control over what each website is allowed to do. Now, scroll down to the Content section within Site Settings. Under this section, you'll see various options for different types of content and features. Look for JavaScript and click on it. JavaScript is essential for most modern websites to function properly, as it powers interactive elements, dynamic content, and many of the features you use daily on the web. Once you're in the JavaScript settings, you'll see radio button options that control how Chrome handles JavaScript. Click on the radio button next to Sites Can Use JavaScript. This enables JavaScript across all websites you visit, allowing them to run scripts that make pages interactive and functional. This is the recommended setting for normal browsing, as disabling JavaScript can break many websites. And that's it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript on Google Chrome for Windows, ensuring that websites can run properly and deliver the full interactive experience they're designed to provide. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.